just like to thank everybody really that supported me for this nomination. I'm really honoured to be receiving this up against loads of other teachers really that have been innovative and probably more deserving than myself, but I'm very, very grateful for that. It wouldn't be possible without mentioning my fantastic school. It's an incredible place to work. I've been there since the beginning of my career for over 20 years, and I couldn't really imagine working anywhere else. I'd like to thank the support of the leadership who've invested a lot of time and money into providing digital resources. I'd like to thank all my colleagues who've been forced into do the Welsh back. I shouldn't say that. Sorry, who've chosen to do the Welsh back, but have really embraced it and learned lots of new techniques through doing it digitally. All I can say is sincere thanks to everybody. I'd like to thank Chris and Emma for nominating me as well. I should mention those. There's way too many others to mention, but very proud to hold this award as a mark of our collective achievement in Caerleon, not just myself. Thank you so much. Diolch.